Hey, what's going on, Glam Fam? How's everybody doing today? What's poppin'? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm super excited about this look because it came out super bomb. Like, I was super, uneasy about it when I first did it because I was like, I don't know, it's not gonna look good, but it came out great. Side note, it's matching what I'm wearing today. Dandelion top with some green bottoms. So, yes. I love this look. Like, I don't know what's going on. There's something going on in the air. But my makeup game has been on point lately. We're gonna keep it rocking. So we're gonna call this look Tranquility because it's bold, it's natural, it's beautiful, like me. In all seriousness, it is a half-cut crease with our dandelion yellow with our olive green. I think this look came out like really good. Like, I was really, like I said, I was really unsure about how this look's gonna come out, but it's popping, it's working. We have a semi-nude face. That's a lie because we're popping, we're blown. We have our glow, we have our blush, we have like all of this stuff going up here. We have our popping lip. Yes. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this look. If you guys want to see how I created it, make sure you keep on watching. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. What are you waiting for? Like, seriously? Like, seriously, what are you waiting for? I'm like 60 videos in. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, let's jump into it. Alright, Glam Fam, we're gonna go ahead and get started with this look by starting off with our Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And we're going for that super bright dandelion yellow. Now we're going to go ahead and apply this yellow all over our top brow, and we want this to be super saturated because we want this color to be really vibrant.
Dr. Gonz on the beat, yeah.
So now that we have our yellow down, we're going to go ahead and start doing our transitional shades. We're switching to our Supernova palette by BH Cosmetics. And we're going for that metallic it's kind of like an olive. And like I said, this is going to be our transitional shade. So you're going to go ahead and put this in your crease area and start to blend upwards so it can blend with the yellow. Okay, now I see that this green isn't as dark as I want it to be. It's not really like the super olive, so we're going to go ahead and switch. We're going to switch to our darker olive, and this is going to go in the crease area as well because we want that to blend between the yellow to the green to that dark olive. So this is going to go a little bit underneath where we had that previous green. So I'm still not getting that super dark color that I want. So I'm actually going to go in with that metallic black. And this is going to go to the bottom part of the crease area. We don't want it to go too high because we still want to see the green. I just want the crease to be a little bit darker. I want it to be like a super dark green, not a true black. So just make sure that you're blending in
that black with that green so it appears to be more green versus black. Does that make sense? Okay, so I feel like this is looking alright. So we're going to go ahead and start to cut our crease. This is the Makeup Revolution concealer in C1. It's a super thick concealer that I think is perfect for cut creases. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my eye, and I'm taking a very small flat brush. That way I could really define that line, because I noticed that some of my cut creases, the creases have been a little bit blurry, and I want this line to be super sharp. So I only did like a halfway cut crease because it's actually going to be an ombre. It's going to fade back into that green again. So now we're going to go ahead and start from the beginning. Once again, using the Zulu palette, we're going for the Dandelion Yellow. And this time, we're going to put the yellow on the inside corners of our eyes versus like the top part. So I'm taking a very small brush, and I'm just trying to get the color to match up with the sharpness of the cut crease. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill everything in.
Dr. Gonz on the beat, yeah.
Just like before, after we've got our yellow down, we're going to switch to our Supernova palette by BH Cosmetics, and we're going to go for that brighter green first. Apply that to like the, I guess to the edge of where the yellow is, because we want that to like fade really nicely. And then we're going to go ahead and switch to that darker olive, and then switch to the black again. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and switch to that darker olive, and we're only going to put this, we're not going to put this like exactly where the green was. We're going to actually put it off a little bit more to the side. That way you can still see that first green that we had. Because again, remember, we want to see the transition between the yellow, the brighter green, the darker green, and then the green with black. Speaking of black, now we're going to go ahead and add the black, and this is only going to go on the outside. Like I said, you want this to be a blended ombre half cut crease. When I was putting these colors together, I noticed I went a little bit too far with that first green. So I'm going to go back into that Dandelion Yellow, and I'm just going to make that blend a little bit better. Okay, so this is how my eyeshadow build is looking so far. I'm pretty satisfied with the cut crease, the ombre, everything looks really nice. Oh, I'm tripping. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes and finish my face, and I'll be right back. Yes, oh my god, this Thanksgiving look is popping. Tell me you guys don't like this look. Freaking gorgeous. Lashes make any look, I swear it does. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this look. We're using our standard black pencil liner, and we're gonna add this to our waterline just to make our eyes more dramatic. Then as always, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start adding our highlight. This is the Kish Professional Shimmer Palette. And you're going to add it to your brow bone, to your nose, and your inner tear ducts like we always do, because it just brings the look together. Makes it look so much nicer. So now we're going to go ahead and start getting our lips together. We're going to start with a lip liner. This is Hot Cocoa by Nabi. And we're doing the lip liner to make our lips look more full. Then we're going to go ahead and follow up with the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick. This is Beauty Mark. And you're just going to apply this on your lips like you always would. And then we're going to follow up again with another NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick, and this is Vintage. This is more of a nude lip, and we're only going to add this to like the middle parts of our lip. We don't want the full lip because we still want that brown, that chocolate to still show through, so it'll be a nice transition between chocolate into the nude. And then we're going to finish up with a shimmer, this is a metallic silver liquid lipstick, and again, we're only going to put this on the middle, like inside middle of our lips, just to make it look more full. Alright, now this is the finished look. I absolutely think this is great. This is my second Thanksgiving makeup look. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments below. Would you wear this? Yes, you would, because this is amazing. I'll catch you guys in the next one.